Hello class, myself Jasprit Kaur and today we will discuss some question of matrices. Let's start. F of x equal to cos of x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0 and 1. Now we have to show that f of x, f of y equal to f of x plus y. Now if f of x is given to us, similarly we can write f of y as cos of y minus sin of y 0, sin y cos of y 0, 0, 0, 1. Now we will proceed as in left hand side. Now multiply f of x with f of y. So here f of x is given to us and similarly matrix f of y is also given to us. So as it is written in left hand side, we will product both of these matrices, that is cos of x minus sin x 0, sin x cos of x 0, 1, 0, 0 and cos y minus sin y 0, 0, 1, sin y cos of y 0, 0 and 1. Now we will multiply. For the multiplication of the two matrices, as we had discussed it earlier, that whenever we have to multiply the two matrices, then we will multiply the corresponding element of first row with the elements of the first column first of all, and after that with second column and third column respectively. Now first of all, cos x will multiply with cos y, so it will be cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, sin x will be multiplied with sin y plus 0 multiplied by 0 will be 0. Now similarly we will multiply the elements of row 1 with the element of column 2. Now cos of x sin y minus sin of x cos of y plus 0. Again we will multiply the elements of row 1 with elements of the column 3. Now this is our column 3, column 2, column 1. This is our row 1, row 2, row 3. Now row 1 will be multiplied with the elements of the column 3. Now it will be cos 0 into 0, sin 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is again 0. Now again we will multiply with the second row with the first column and then second column and then third column. So sin x multiplied by cos y, sin x cos y plus cos y cos x sin y plus 0. Now sin x sin y plus cos x cos y plus 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we will expand, like R3 will multiply with the column 1, column 2 and column 3. Now 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 sin y is 0, 1 into 0 will be 0. So first of all 0 multiplied by cos y will be 0, 0 multiplied by sin y will be 0, 1 multiplied by 0 will be 0. Now 0, 0, 0. Again 0 multiplied by 0 will be 0, 0 and 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. Now our matrix will be cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now if you remember the trigonometric formula which we had done in +1 class, that is cos of A plus B. It will be cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. In a similar way, if minus sign is present here, then plus will be present here. So let's put the formula. So it will be cos of A plus B. Here A is x and B is y. So we will write cos of x plus y, and similarly we will take common negative sign. It will be cos A sin B plus sin A cos B. So cos of x sin y plus sin x cos y plus 0. Now 0. Now sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now remember one more formula of sin A plus B. It will be sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. If instead of plus there is negative sign, then here will be also a negative sign. Now we simply plot the formulas. That will be sin x plus y. Now again it is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now here will be a formula, that is cos of x plus y. Again 0, there will be 1. Now third will be 0 and this will be also a 0. Now after solving, our matrix will be cos of x plus y cos A sin B plus sin A cos B. That will be negative of sin x plus y. Negative of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. It will be sin A plus B. 0, 0, 1. It will be sin of x plus y cos of x plus y 0, 0 and 1. So 0, 0, 1. So this is our matrix. Now here if you notice that f of x was cos x, here it is cos of x plus y. Here it is minus sin x, it is minus sin of x plus y. Here 0, 0 is present here. Sin of x, it is sin of x plus y. Cos x, cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now if x is present all here in the matrix, then it was f of x. Now if instead of x, x plus y is present, that means this is equal to f of x plus y. So we are moving from the left hand side and we approach at right hand side. That's why we show the result. Let's do next question. Here matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. We have to show that AQ minus 23A minus 40I equal to 0. So one thing it should be noted down that it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Now to find the value of AQ, firstly one thing should be noted that whenever we have to find the value of 1 square, then we multiply 1 with 1 into 1. Or if you want to find the value of a square, it will be a into a. And if you want to find the value of a cube, then it may be a into a, or one can say this is equal to a square, so it will be a square into a. So in a similar manner, a cube will be a square into a. Now to find the value of a square again, we will be multiply a with itself. Now First of all, we find the matrix A square. That will be A into A. So 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. First of all, we multiply row 1 with the first column. This is our first row, second row, third row, C1, C2, C3. So students, to avoid the confusion, we will be assign them as row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2 and column 3. Now first of all, we multiply row 1 with column 1. So 1 into 1 will be 1, 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6, 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12. Again R1 will be multiplied with the column R2. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 2 multiplied by minus 2 will be 4, 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. Now again 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Now R2 will be multiplied with the column 1, column 2 and column 3 respectively. So 3 into 1 will be 3, 2 multiplied by 3 is minus 6, 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 2 multiplied by 2 will be minus minus plus, so it will be 4, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Now 3 multiplied by 3 will be 9, 2 multiplied by 1 minus 2, 1 multiplied by 1, that will be 1. Now 4 multiplied by 1, 4, 2 multiplied by 3, 6, 1 multiplied by 4, 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 2 multiplied by 2 will be minus 4, 1 multiplied by 2 will be 2. Now 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12, 2, 1 the 2, 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. So our A square will be equal to 6 plus 12, 18 plus 1, 19, 8 minus 4, 4, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8, 7 minus 6, 1, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12, 9 plus 1, 10 minus 2, 8, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 10 minus 4, 6, 12 plus 3, 15. So this is value of A square. Now we will find the value of A cube. So A cube will be A square multiplied by A. So that will be equal to, A square is given to us 19, 4, 8, 1, 12, 8, 14, 6, 15. Multiply with the matrix A, that will be 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2 and 1. Now let's move here. So value of A cube, that will be, again this is our row 1, row 2, row 3 and this is column 1, column 2 and column 3. Now we will multiply row 1 with the corresponding element of C1, C2 and C3 respectively. So 19 into 1 will be 19, 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12, 8 multiplied by, here it is 4. So 8 multiplied by 4, 32, 19 into 2, 38, 4 into minus 2, minus 8, 8 into 2, 16, Now 19 into 3, 57, 4 and 8. Now again second row will be multiplied with the first column and then second column and then third column. So 1 into 1, 1, 12 into 3, 36, 8 for the 32, 1 multiplied by 2 will be 2, 12 multiplied by 2 will be minus 24, 2 multiplied by 8 will be 16, 1 multiplied by 3 will be 3, 12 into 1 will be 12, 8 into 1 will be 8. Now again R3 will multiply with column 1. So 14 multiplied by 1 will be 14, 6 multiplied by 3 will be 18, 15 for the 60, 14 multiplied by 2, 28, 6 multiplied by 2, minus 12, 15 multiplied by 2, 30. Now multiply R3 with column 3. So 14 multiplied by 3, 42, 6 multiplied by 1, 6, 15 multiplied by 1, 15. So just try to add up these elements. 19 plus 12 plus 32. 19, 32 and 12. 19 plus 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. Carry 1, 4, 5, 6. That will be 63. Now 38 minus 8, 30. 30 plus 16, 46. Now 54 plus 8 plus 4, 12. 69. Now 36 plus 32 plus 1, 33. 69. Now 16 plus 2, 18. 24 minus 18. Minus 6. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 60 plus 14 plus 18. 92. Now 28 plus 30. 58 minus 12. 46. Now 42 plus 15 plus 6, 21. So that will be 63. Now we will find the 23a. Now students, we have done the scalar multiplication in operation of matrices. That is, whenever a scalar is multiplied with the matrix A, then we should multiply this scalar with corresponding elements of the matrix A. So we have to multiply 23 with each element of the matrix A. So matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. So multiply 23 with all the elements. 23, 46, again 40i. We know that identity matrix of 3 cross 3 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Again scalar multiplication, that will be 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. Now our left hand side is a cube minus 23a minus 40i. So let's put the values. A cube is 63, 46, 69, 69 minus 6, 23, 92, 46, 63 minus 23a. So value of it is 23, 46, 69, 69 minus 46, 23, 92, 46, 23 and 40i minus 40, 0, 0, 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 40. Now let's calculate 23 plus 40. 40 plus 23, that will be 63. So 63 minus 63. 46 minus 46 minus 0, that will be 0. Now 69 minus 69, that will be again 0. 69 minus 69 minus 0, that will be again 0. 6 plus 46 minus 6 plus 46 minus 40. This will gives you minus 6 plus 46, that will be 40. With positive sign 40, 40 minus 40, again 0. Now 23 minus 23 minus 0, that will be 0. 92 minus 92 minus 0, that will be again 0. 46 minus 46 minus 0, that is 0. 63 minus 23 minus 40. Now 23 and 40, because it is negative and it is also negative. So negative negative will be add up. So 4 plus 2, 63 again. So 63 minus 63, that will be 0. So it is a 0 matrix. So we have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now let's do next question. Here A matrix is given to us, matrix B is given to us, and we have to compute 3A minus 5B. So first of all, we will apply the scalar multiplication operation, in which if K is any scalar, then Ka, that is K multiplied by matrix A, equals to multiply K with each element of that matrix. Now here instead of K, we are given with value 3. So multiply 3 with matrix A. Three multiplied by 2 by 3, that will be 2. 3 multiplied by 1 will be 3. 3 multiplied by 5 by 3 will be 5. 3 multiplied by 1 by 3, 1. 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 is 2. 3 multiplied by 4 by 3 will be 4. 3 multiplied by 7 by 3 will be 7. 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 will be 2. This is 3A. Now we have to calculate 5B. Again scalar is given to us value 5. So 5B will be multiplied by 5 with each element of the matrix B. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5, 2 by 5. So multiply each element of the given matrix with the number 5. So 5 multiplied by 2 by 5 will be 2, 3, 5. 5 multiplied by 1 will be 5. 5 multiplied by 3 by 5 will be 5 and 5 get cancelled. We obtain 3. 5 multiplied by 2 by 5. 5 and 5 will be cancelled. We obtain 2. Now in a similar way, multiply 5 with second row. 5 into 1 by 5 will be 1. 5 multiplied by 2 by 5 will be 2. 5 multiplied by 4 by 5 will be 4. 7. 5 multiplied by 6 upon 5, 6. 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5, it will be 2. Now, we have to compute 3a minus 5b. So, matrix 3a is equal to 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4, 7, 6, 2. And matrix 5b, that is equal to 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 4 and 7, 6, 2. Now 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 5 minus 5, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 4 minus 4, 7 minus 7, 6 minus 6, 2 minus 2. So we obtain 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So in this way we obtain 0 matrix and solved.